Guys, I'm shooting this video a bit late. I've been in 1 week holiday, guys. Yeah, I've taken away a week without shooting any video, so I've been posting my old videos. I have a lot of videos in my drafts. So guys, we're gonna start where we stopped from. So guys, let me show you what we are doing now. Say to the mountain. We started from here. This is where we stopped. So most probably tomorrow this week will be done. I'm done with ventilating this part. So this is the remaining part to be ventilated. Then after, I'll blend more braids. I got this pink, another pink, because the braids were not enough for me, so I had to get another one. So we have this. We're gonna use purple and pink. I have no maroon. Any mistake in art, it's a design. It's a design, guys. So guys, here